Another milk factory is about to start production. This is a gas-fired steam boiler required by a milk factory. After the rapid production of EPCB, it will be sent to the customer today. EPCB steam boiler adopts a horizontal 3-pass wet backfire tube structure, fully automatic control and interlock protection functions, ensuring 100% safe operation of the boiler. EPCB provides custom-engineered solutions to reduce boiler operating costs and maximize business competitiveness. EPCB selects boiler auxiliary equipment of well-known brands, and designs one-to-one auxiliary equipment and accessories for you according to your actual needs, reducing your boiler operating costs and making your company more competitive. For the material of the energy saver, we use thick cast iron and carbon steel instead of ND steel, which has good energy-saving effect and low price. Using high-quality and low-cost electronic control system, accurate monitoring of boiler operation data will make your boiler safer. Using the correct steam boiler water treatment method can make the boiler water supply hardness meet the standard. With the growing influence of the EPCB brand, more and more users choose EPCB. We will recommend the most economical shipping method to save customers money. Do a good job in all-round protection work to ensure the safe and complete transportation of boilers. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.